We are going to swap these images out so you can see how easy it is to make one of our templates your own. So let's start with the hero image. Right click, edit content, click on the image. We're going to hit replace. We're going to hit upload. We're going to select an image, second image. Once again, we're going to hit replace, upload, select the second image. There you go. And so before you work with any website, you want to make sure you have all your images together. It just makes things go much more smoother. So one of the things you want to make sure with your pictures that you're going to use, you want to take them to some sort of photo editor and make sure that they are all the same size. Now this image is brighter than the other one, so we're going to play with the opacity a little bit. Right now it's at 25%. I'm going to take it back up to 50. So now all the images are replaced. So the site is very responsive, so it looks good on all devices.